It's Don Smiles. The majority of my life, prior to being a cop, I was a paramedic, but I spent the majority of my cop life in Kansas. Came up here during the boom, so I've always been in the people service business. Even between the time I was a cop until just recently, 2 years ago, I worked at the health department in Richland County. So you just can't get it out of you. Once you're a people helping person, you've got it. You can't get it out of your blood. The cool guy, Rennet, I love him. He's awesome. He's like, so what about the knees? Like I say, Dr. Brown did the first one. He did the first 3 on this one over here. Dr. Rennet was like, because I just don't want just anybody operating on you, especially if you've never heard of him or anything like that. I said, he goes, we got this new guy, Dr. Smith. He's like, well, meet Dr. Smith, see what you think. If you don't like him, we'll figure something out. I can do that. So met him, hit it off just like that. Great guy. He has my sense of humor, and so everything went great there. We were helping some of my wife's coworkers out of a ditch over here by Trenton. So I was undoing the rope from the rear tire because she's front wheel drive, so we just slid her back up on the rope. And she took off, and the rope hit me in the back of the leg, pinned me to the highway, drug me down, and broke this leg. So my wife's like, ambulance? No. Hospital? So, hospital. So came over here, ended up spending 10 days in your lovely facility. The staff was awesome. 10 weeks of every day going over and seeing the lovely ladies over at the cancer center for infusions. So those ladies over there, amazing. And Dr. Renner is the one who performed surgery on my right ankle. It went beautifully. He's such a great guy. And he was the one who suggested, hey, you're ready to get your knees done? Absolutely. He said, we have a new guy, Dr. Smith. Meet him, see what you think, and we'll go from there. I said, okay. So I just set an appointment up with Dr. Smith, and I knew that he would do a great job. They cut this one off on tax day. It went great, smoked right through PT. It was amazing. And that staff over there is amazing. Come for the, a 6-week appointment or something like that. And Dr. Brown's like, when are we going to do the other one? Because he knew I wanted to do both of them. And I'm like, whenever you're ready. He's like, well, let's set it up. Gladys is amazing. The girl that just got the Daisy Award. Emily, they're just, all of them over there are just so kind. Of course, over 2 years, you can build a relationship with them. McDougal, Dr. Jessica McDougal, she's amazing. Nurse practitioners Fry and Norby are just out of this world too. I've seen obviously both of them many, many times, and they've helped a tremendous amount. The guys in physical therapy are just amazing. Brandon is who I've been working with here lately, but the other kid over there, I've had him quite a few times too. And they're all great. Don't wait. There's so much more you'll be able to do down the road with your family, just yourself, going hiking or fishing, and knowing that you're not going to fall on your face walking down the little trail to where you sit to go fishing is something I look forward to very much. Don't wait, just do it. It's scary, the thought about it. I can't urge people enough. If they need help, I'll hold their hand while they go to PT, because you got to do it. You just have to do it. I can't believe I waited this long. I can't believe it took me this long to find a doctor that would say yes. Knew it needed to be done, that knew my quality of life needed to be better. I understand maybe concerns about how small our area is, but this is a great place. You guys have grown so much in the past 15 years. Unbelievable. The facility is nice and clean. The bed even improved from when I was here last time. And having a facility like this here that was close. I've worked with Sydney before, especially when I was with the health department. I just choose to come over here. People are just so down to earth, and they get me, I guess, and all of my quirks and sense of humor and things like that. And that's really the type of people that you want to do business with, or the type of people that you get along with and you can build those relationships with. Amazing, absolutely amazing. 35 miles, it's not very far, especially where we live out here. 35 miles, not far at all. And especially I work right outside of Bainville, so coming from PT, I just roll down Highway 2 and then I roll back to work when I'm done from PT. So it makes it really, really handy. I'm just so excited because I'm a very active person. Hunt, fish. I love going shed hunting for antlers that are falling off and morel mushrooms. And one of the things I've missed most is getting out and about. I also have 2 grandkids that I really want to play with, get out, play ball with, things like that. I've never been a sidelines watcher. I enjoy watching people and things like that. It's probably from my cop background, but that's good for airports and things like that, shopping malls. It's not sitting on the side wanting to play catch with your grandkids. But I've needed this done for years, and I was so glad that they were willing to do it. My entire adult life, I've helped people. It was nice to find someone that wanted to help me.